guys, what's up? Plugin Master here, and today I'm showing you guys how to make a CraftBukkit server on a Mac. Now this is a really simple, easy, step-by-step tutorial. So the first step is you want to go ahead and create a new folder, and you want to go ahead and call it CraftBukkit. Capitalize the C and the B, and then you're going to drag it wherever you want on your desktop. Make sure it's on the desktop, by the way. Then you're going to go to this website right over here, and hit enter. Links in the description for all of this right here. And you're gonna click the latest build and click this right here to download it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna cancel it. And then once it's done downloading, you want to go ahead and take the one you just downloaded and drag it into the CraftBukkit and rename it the same as your name of your folder. So CraftBukkit. And make sure it's a capital C and a B too. Alright, and then you're going to go ahead, and now this is the main step. This is the main step. This is a good step. Then you're going to go File, New, make a new window of text edit. Then you're going to say Format, make plain text, and then paste it into here. And then you're going to hit Save. And you want to save it as start_server.command. Save it. Save it to your desktop and then drag it into CraftBukkit. So then if you double click this, it won't work. It says basically you don't have permission. So basically what you're going to do is then you're going to open up a new terminal new terminal window, and type in chmod, or you can paste it in here, and then +X space, and then drag start.command or start server command thing in here, and then hit enter. Now based on what you just did, you gave it permission to start up the server. So if you double click this, it will open up the server, and it's gonna load up all these recipes and stuff. This isn't, so just let it load. I don't really want the server because I already have a bunch of these just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, by the way, when you stop a server, never hit this and close it. Always type stop in the console, and don't do a slash. When you're in the console, you only do stop, no slashes. Basically every command you do in the console, you don't use a slash. It's kind of confusing, but so then once it's done loading, just I'm not gonna quit it because I don't really care about the server. So anytime you want to start up the server, you just want to double click this, and yeah. So now we're not done yet. You have to download a thing called Port Map and Coding Monkeys. It links in the description for that. And you want to go ahead and download a thing called Port Map. Now this is a really good thing. It's like port forwarding and Log Me and Amachi, but it's a little bit easier and different. So let's delete that. So basically what it is telling you what your IP address and stuff like that. So first things first, let's get this straight. This is the IP address that your friends will join on. So let's say your friend lives 30 minutes away from your house, or just any guy that wants to join on your server. You'll type in this. If you want to join the server, or a friend of yours joins the server, or let me restate this. If you want to join the server, and your friend comes over your house and connects to your internet and then tries to join the server, you and your friend will join this. Period. Most of the time, you're going to be joining this IP. So yeah. Alright, so now that I got that covered, let's create a little port map. So you want to always make sure this should say nothing on it. So you want to make sure it says 25565, and then say add mapping. Now if this is ever orange, like pretend your friend doesn't let you join or anything, or always click this, and then if this is orange, you want to click it, and it will make it green. If it's ever orange, your friends can't join the server. So make sure whenever you start the server, make sure this is always green. That's a big step that a lot of people don't even know what's up. You can do this is like maybe the port that you don't actually need a port, but it helps. I don't know how, but it does. So yeah. And links in the description for plugins. If you let your thing load all the way, it should create a plugins folder, this folder right here, and basically just download a plugin and then drag the jar in here, and then start up the server, and it should work. So I'll probably be making a video on how to add plugins to your Craft Bukkit server. So thanks a lot for watching. Peace out, guys. Plugin Master signing out. Peace.